If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you get my videos. And hit the bell so you get notifications when I upload. So let's just get on what you're here for. The date night hairstyles. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since we've done a tutorial here in my bathroom, so I'm really excited about this one today. I'm going to be showing you how to do 2 easy date night hairstyles. So for this first hairstyle, you are going to part your hair here, and then we're going to do a Dutch braid in the center.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
And you're going to tie those off with an elastic or ponytail, whatever you call them. And then once you're done, tying them off in the back, you're going to pull out the braids. From here, once you have tied them in the back, I'm just going to pull out some hair to make it look a little fuller, just slightly more messy, not so up against my head. Pull out some hairs to frame the face. My curls completely fell out, probably from all the brushing I did. That is sad. I'm just gonna quickly curl and we'll be right back. I did a quick recurl to my hair because all my curls fell out. Isn't that great? But this is the final look for the Double Dutch braid hairstyle. Thanks so much for tuning in to this 2 hairstyles for date night. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be doing more hair tutorials like this every single Friday, so you do not want to miss out on that. Also, I have some exciting things coming up on my channel. If you know me, I love bullet journals. I am obsessed with them, and I got one for my birthday, which is tomorrow. And I have been working on it non-stop. So I will be doing a bullet journal flip through once I get the month of February done. I'm really excited for that. I'm also going to be doing a new series on my channel called Item of the Week. And this Item of the Week series is going to feature my favorite item from a boutique that I have been doing collaborations with. I have several collaborations lined up that I'm still doing pictures for, doing videos for. You will be seeing the first boutique item of the week very, very soon. I'm really excited for this new series coming up on this channel and for my bullet journal series coming up. I'm so excited. You guys have no idea. I've been working on it non-stop. I'm so excited. Feel free to tune into those new videos that I'm going to be doing on my channel. It's just sharing with you guys what I love, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So thanks so much for tuning in, and I will be seeing you in the next video.